car museum is done. They're loading the cars up now, getting ready to take them to the auction. These hadn't been loaded yet, but you can see they done cleared out quite a few of them. They're getting cranked up. They're inventorying them. I'll find out exactly which auction, what day it is. Anyway, it was good while it lasted. They're selling the signs, planes, cars, everything's going. Got some pretty cool stuff too. I showed you one time before. I don't think they've loaded it, but that's the Richard Petty edition Torino, and I don't think they've loaded. Let's go down here and see if they've loaded the they're having too much fun over there. Nope, it's still here. I know y'all seen this on Count Cars or Count whatever his name is, but anyway, this car is going too. And this is the Hooper Trans Am. Heard Tim Phillips talk about it. This is going. Everything is being auctioned off. That's actually the Burt Reynolds Hooper Trans Am. What is the, hey, excuse me, what is the name of the auction that these are going to? GAA Classic Cars in Greensville, North Carolina. Got it. Thank you, girl. That, you got that there. There you go. Here, do that where I can get this on.
Okay. It's GAAClassicCars.com.
And when is the auction going to be? You know for sure?
It's
March 30th for April 1st?
yes.
Yeah, March 30th for April 1st, 2023.
And do y'all offer co-signers?
What do you mean?
If I buy a car, will you co-sign for me on the loan?
No, we do JJ Best's.
Okay, I'm just checking. I'm checking my options. And let's see, got all the motorcycles. Little Tin Lizzie. Here's all the motorcycles that's going. Scooters. I think that's called a Honda Dream, I believe. I've got one of them somewhere, if I can dig it out. All the memorabilia, all the signs. Every time I see the sidecar, I always think about them funny movies back in the day when they'd split and one guy would go one way and one guy would go the other. There's your Harley for midgets. But anyway, all this stuff's going. They're loading them up. They done took 2 or 3 loads already. I'm just gonna walk around, let you kind of look and see. Fabulous Hornet. Love that car. I showed that one time before in the video. They're over here inventorying them now. They cleared some of these out. Not many. There's still quite a few here. You can see them. Walk through here and so let you. Love the bubble top. Big Studebaker. These cars are beautiful. This car here, it's got the seat in the middle here where you drive it in the middle, and you got your place for your girlfriend and your wife, or your wife or your girl. Either way, you're gonna be in trouble. Little A model, and it's got the little V8 down here. That ought to be a sweet little ride. back here. Got my finger out of the way. Commander. Little gasser. 57 Chevy. Like I said, all the lights, all the memorabilia, everything is going to be sold at that auction. Everything goes that you see. They're inventorying it now. They've done loaded out. I don't know how many trucks and rolled out of here. Let's go back in the back and see if there's any left back there. There you go, Buffett. You know who that is. All the stuff. Ernest Tubb. It's not lit up back here, but anyway, back here in the back's where all the, let's see what's left back here.
I just didn't know what you wanted to, what you wanted to do with those kind of things.
We'll just kind of walk through. Let you see. We did a video on this before. All the signs, if you can see all the signs. Try not to leave anything out for you. 58 Chevrolet, there's your Ford. And I mean, this is just partial of the stuff, because I mean, there's an upstairs full of all kinds of stuff. 43. Oh, that one's got a flat. Fairlane, I believe this one would be one of the convertibles that goes back in the back here. That's a whole case of gumball machines, parts. You see all the signs down the side. Yeah, this is the last of the Memory Lane Classic Car Museum in Hiawassee, Georgia. More signs. Now a lot of these are the original real deal. I can go where, see where they've got skin places on them. So they're porcelain. They're all porcelain. Not the knockoffs. Oldsmobile. There's your Woody wagon. Love the little Nova. Dart, what's not to love? No idea how the Jeep ended up here. Kind of out of place, but anyway. There's your Country Squire wagon. Can't see the color on that, but that 55 is beautiful. It's just a pretty color. Mustang rag top. Nash, bathtub on wheels, upside down. Little satellite. Just 14 actual miles on that one. I ain't sure that's right. Number 11 of 50. Never raced. These are all gonna be at the auction. Edsel. No idea why they made that. And then, as you can see, all the signs. Anyway, that's what you got to look at. I'll post on this when the sale's gonna be, where if anybody's interested, they can look it up and bid. I'm sure it's online and all that good stuff. So, pace car. Bet there's a 400 pound of chrome on that bumper. Beautiful.
Alright, so I'm just gonna do like 1 and 2, you know, and then we'll just go.
Go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And what's our next?
Number?
Boxes and boxes of stuff. Walk outside. I think they got a few of them out here. Not the van, that's mine. Everything goes. Challenger. Ford. Gangsta. That's a Bronco. You can tell because it's got the name in the one that says Bronco. I believe that is the DeSoto grill. I might be wrong. Ford. Now all these are going to be sold. Wait a minute, I got one snuck off down here on the bottom. I got to get it. 340 Cuda. That's the wooden car. We showed it before. Big Cougar. Oldsmobile. Another 57 Chevy. And there's a Bug. Big Mercury convertible. Oh, there's another DeSoto grill. The Judge. Here come the Judge. I always love these tachometers. That was just the coolest. The Mustang. And what's not to love about a 59 Cadillac. When they put fins on this thing, they put fins on these. These are just, I love these little bullet tail lights. It's got the Continental kit on it. Not too wild about that, but if you buy this, you can take it off. Ooh, got keys. This might not be on the sale, boys. Listen, see if I can get this thing cranked. Might ride this and on out. See if we see anybody. Nope. Coast is clear. Well, that's all I got for now. So anyway, I'll post the website and all that, where the auction's going to be at and when it's going to be. Just wanted to show you that and let you check it out. So thank you, and hey, share and subscribe. Thank you.